Hi folks, this is Curious Kathy. On this video, we're gonna take a peek at Manila Ocean Park in Manila, Philippines. Let's go. It's only 28 minutes drive from NAIA to Manila Ocean Park, and it's located next to Hotel H2O and in front of Rizal Park.
Okay, we are at Ocean Park. Let's see what's going on here. First time to be here.
The Oceanarium is home to 14,000 marine creatures, all indigenous to the Philippines and Southeast Asia. It's one massive compound, so at least spend around 2-3 hours exploring the museum and its attractions. And yes, you can wear slippers or sandals to the park, no problem.
Just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of love. Just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of love. Just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of love. Just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of loving. Just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of loving. Just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed.
Also goes somewhat western cockatoos. Now he flies over. Oh, he gets the money and flies back. And I think, Sonny, just a little bit of money. Oh, how about the forward dollar? Sir, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, now you know it, your money will go a long way, and we are very, very grateful. You may now go back here and see that you guys are the rest of the show. Thank you so much. Anyone else? A 1,000 pesos for this time. Come on, guys.
They can walk upright, one on that. And that's how we're going to street and how about the run applause for Vincent and Yay!
Here's a tip. Stay for the daily multimedia light and water show called Symphony at 6:30 p.m. There you have it. This video was brought to you by the Villa Tagaytay. We're at Facebook, Booking.com, and Agoda. Maraming salamat for watching the video. This is Curious Kathy. Stay safe and God bless. We will see you on the next video. Bye.